Tired of limitations? Frustrated with low-quality 3D prints? Get ready to experience the future of 3D printing with the QIDI TECH Q2. The Q2 isn't just a printer, it's a powerhouse. Imagine a massive 270 by 270 by 256 millimeters build volume. That's huge. Create larger, more complex projects than ever before. And with a dual extruder and 370 degrees C capability, you can work with virtually any filament, PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU. The possibilities are endless. Show quick clips of different materials being printed. But it's not just about size and materials. The Q2 boasts incredible precision with XY accuracy up to 0.05 millimeters. Plus, the smart AI camera provides real-time monitoring, ensuring flawless prints every time. Say goodbye to failed prints and hello to effortless creation. Show the touchscreen interface and highlight the ease of use. Setting up and using the Q2 is a breeze. The intuitive touchscreen and automatic calibration make it perfect for beginners and experts alike. It's quiet, enclosed, and safe, ideal for any environment. Show a montage of finished projects, emphasizing the versatility of the Q2. From intricate models to functional prototypes, the QIDI Q2 empowers you to bring your wildest ideas to life. But this incredible offer won't last forever. Text overlay, limited time offer. Narrator, for a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount on the QIDI TECH Q2. Click the link below now to claim yours before it's gone. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your 3D printing game. Upbeat, inspiring music plays throughout the video.